Welcome all. Today's topic is what is your attitude towards paranormal and unexplained scientific things. Okay, so now this is a topic that I wanted to talk about. Why? Because many of you told me, especially the students of different colleges. In fact, they keep on writing mails because they have seen one of my, not seen, they have heard one of my audios from Sri Ram College long time back. I think it was 7 or 8 years back that I had given an interview in an audio of Sri Ram College students. And very recently, I have been getting the college students project based things, that there must be a topic about the unexplained and the supernatural sciences. So they wanted me to talk about on YouTube that what is the attitude of people, or what is your attitude towards paranormal sciences and the scientific things which are unexplained. Okay, so I would question this, I would answer this in such a way that the kind of things that I get towards me and my team when it comes to the supernatural sciences, there are two groups which are segregated. One is a group of believers, and the second one is of the non-believers, okay, who believe in paranormal sciences, and the second group which does not believe in the paranormal sciences, okay, or anything to do with supernatural sciences for that matter. Okay, so what is your attitude? What should be the attitude? People ask me this. Okay, I always say that this is a very tricky thing, or this is a thing that you can not prove all the time. Even sometimes the paranormal gadgets which are there, you cannot prove, the machines cannot prove whether there are some spirits or some negative energy or any sort of energy present at that point or that venue. Of course, mostly it does detect the paranormal machines and the gadgets, okay, but not every time, okay, because these energies are much more smarter than the gadgets or technology that we hold. These energies have higher technological and advanced techniques with them, okay, then rather than what we are using. Always believe that, okay, but yet, and even then, yet we are able to gauge through paranormal gadgets which come for the paranormal detections these days. It's shown on the televisions as well. So the attitude should be that even if you're a non-believer, first of all, does paranormal science or something paranormal or something to do with black magic or supernatural things, do they exist? Absolutely, they do exist. Absolutely, they do exist. I'm emphasizing on this answer. Okay, it is nothing to do with whether you believe or you do not believe. Something that does exist does not needs your stamping on it, okay, because it's just there. It's the unknown. It's something which is not visible. It is something that cannot be proved all the time, but that does not mean that it's not existing. There are several things in this universe at this point of time the scientists haven't discovered. So when the scientists have not been able to discover, that does not mean that thing is not existing, or different universes are not existing, or different lokas are not existing. Okay, we are very slow and we are very backward when it comes to technology in comparison to the ancient times. Okay, this has been proved. So when we talk about demons or negative energies or evil energies, okay, everything exists. Some people experience it through black magic or something that they be in interaction with an accident, or maybe it was destined for them to be in contact with a different dimension creatures. Okay, so those people go through hell when it comes to black magic and paranormal things which they experience. They go to hell. They actually experience hell, not go to hell, but they experience hell in this world as well. Okay, and these are the kind of people, these are the kind of victims who come to us. And people who know me, who have seen my channel, who have read my books, they already know that I myself was a black magic victim. So my attitude towards paranormal sciences and scientifically unexplained is absolutely, I would say something that I cannot forget, something that made me believe when I went through all of this, that yes, all this, along with our world, human world, even this sort of energy or these sort of things do exist. Okay, and the best is not to come in contact with them. Consider yourself to be lucky. That's why I always write that if God exists, demon also exists. In every book that I write, this is the ending line that I give, that if God exists, then demon also exists. So consider yourself to be lucky if you have not come across any supernatural event, paranormal event, or unexplained things in your life. Because people who have come across, ask them, they have gone through hell, miserable time. Okay, it can be your health issue, it can be a relationship issue, it can be your overall life attacks on you, and things which are unexplained, that you will not be able to gauge those things even in the hospital. Your health reports will come out to be normal, for example, but then you will say that I am going through hell when it comes to my health. Okay, and I have written books on this, on paranormal sciences. I've written books on black magic and the miseries and the true story of victims. This is my everyday work now, to hear stories, different scenarios of negative energies around us. And believe me, this is Kali Yuga. The range and the percentage of negativity around us or the evil things around us are immense. It's just that we are not aware of them. Our consciousness, sometimes our sensitivity has become so low to gauge these things that we don't even feel them around us. But yes, when you come in contact with them suddenly, then of course you get to know that there is something abnormal happening. Okay, so the bottom line is, never disrespect things that you don't believe in. It's not everything in this whole wide universe that you have seen or you can see. Surrender to the fact that there are many things in today's times that humans are not being able to prove, but they do exist. Okay, scientifically you may not be able to prove everything because science has not gone that much ahead. The way our ancient rishis or ancient texts have already calculated, written and found those different universe, different lokas. Okay, and now slowly science is somewhat a molecule, in a way of a molecule, has agreed to the fact that yes, there are so many things which are unknown yet. Okay, so my attitude is very clear towards paranormal sciences and scientifically unexplained. There are still so many things that we are not aware of, but they do exist. So never challenge them. Never think yourself to be over smart, because when the moment you think that you're ahead than all these energies, they will backfire you in such a drastic way that you will not be able to get yourself together. This is my experience, my personal experience, and on everyday basis when different victims comes to us, overseas, India, globally. Okay, so that's about it. Next week I'll see you with another topic. Till then, goodbye.